What is the best time to come to Australia as a student? I know it's a very important question. In this video, I'll talk about that. Before getting to the main question, let's look at some different options when someone can apply for an Australian student visa. The first one would be school visa. Let's say, for example, someone is in school till grade 12 or HSC, you can apply for Australian school visa. And option 2 is for the Bachelor program or Undergrate program. And option 3 is for the master's program or post-graduation program. And after that is the last one is PhD program. Now the question is, what is the best time? From my understanding, if you really want to come to Australia, please go for the second option. The first one would be to avoid study gap. Normally in our country, in Asian countries, after HSC, people continue their study. But after bachelor program, issues are there, people go for work or they do something otherwise, and a study gap is there. So if you really want to avoid study gap trap, apply for the bachelor program, apply after the HSC or level 12. The second and the most important logic would be getting PR. For example, you came here for the bachelor program and that would take at least 4 years. By this time, you can qualify, you can gain some points to apply for the PR. So if you really want to come to Australia, option 2, come Australia to do your bachelor or undergrad. That's the best time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Hope I'll see you with a different video.